Hello! Today, we'll demonstrate how to create smaller datasets from your existing data sources. This is particularly useful when you want to leverage semantic catalogs to provide access to other departments or users within your company. To start, let's create a new project for integrating our data sources. Each project can be thought of as an independent virtual dataset that can be shared and managed separately. In this case, we'll create a base project to integrate our data sources. These sources could be data warehouses already existing within the company, such as databases like RDS, or data warehouses like Redshift, Snowflake, or Databricks. All of this data can be aggregated into Pika. If you don't have a data warehouse, you can also integrate your own data sources directly from sources like SaaS tools or non-SQL databases. We have built-in connectors for all these sources, and adding a data source is simple. Just click, enter your credentials, and you're good to go. For other systems, like HubSpot, you simply give it a name, sign into your account, grant permission, and it's as simple as that. Now, let's add some sample data into our platform. Since we've added some data sources, we can directly view the data without the need for copying and transforming it. For instance, even if the data source is MongoDB, we can still view the data in a tabular format. Similarly, for a database, we can view it like this. Let's create a new dataset from this data, share it in a different semantic catalog, and then grant access to a different project. This will allow us to directly create our data models using queries. For instance, we have some sample data here. We can create a sample data using the Mongo and Postgre tables. Our data sources, such as the sample Airbnb, listing and reviews, the PostgreSQL, the public and the cities are visible here. We can write a query, run it, and see the results. Now, let's convert this into a new dataset. We want to share this data with our partner or department. To do this, we'll create a semantic layer and name it something like partner. We'll also give it in schema, for example, address, and assign it a new table name. After creating the semantic catalog, we'll share this semantic catalog in a project later on. Looking at our tables now, we can see that we've created the partner catalog, address, and so on. We can view the data as a new model here and also trace where the data originates from. We want to share this data, not all our data sources, but just this catalog. Note that we can also add other queries here as tables, but let's stick to this one for now. Finally, we'll create a new project named Partner. As you can see, it's an empty project. Let's move to my base project. I'm planning to share this project with our partner. We choose the semantic catalog and share it with the partner project. Perfect, that's done. Now, if you navigate to the partner project, you'll only see this specific data. What's great about this is that you can share your project with Pika users. They will be able to view it as a shared project on their own dashboard. Alternatively, you can create an API key specifically for this project. With this API key, users can connect their data or systems. For instance, they can connect their BI tools such as Looker, Metabase, Superset, or Looker Studio. Or if it's an application, they can leverage the API layer. We have database drivers for Python, Java, and JavaScript, which can also be used to connect to the data. The only data they will have access to is the data you've shared. So whatever you allow in your base project will be available in the partner project as a data source. You can manage everything from here,